So Cal, it's your birthday today, and it's also Australia Day. So I thought, to celebrate your birthday and to start educating you about Australian culture, we should listen to some music together. Do you want to listen to some Australian songs? Okay, I'm going to play you some songs and you can tell me how you feel about them. Okay? So here's the first song. You don't want that one? That was called Chisel. How about this song? It is very loud. Here, I'll turn the volume down. So how do you feel about this song? You like it?
This one you like it.
Yeah, okay, this one you like it. What about this song? Let's go. Really? I'm going to offer you a choice with this one, Cal. It's by a man named John Farnham. We can keep listening to the song, or we can listen to the next song. The next song, exactly. That's the correct answer. And this song, last song. Do you like this song? Do you really like it? Are you sure? Do you want to keep listening to this song? Oh, you're falling off your chair.